it's Lori from Positive Thanks Living. I just thought I'd quickly show you the way I put together the swinging, cascading, waterfall taggy thing. If you see, I have a brad in the middle and it's covered up by these little flower die cut circles. The reason I had to put the flower in there was because when you put a brad through the hole from the original die cut, it just doesn't look right. So what I do is I put that on first, like so, and I glue it a wee bit with my art glitter glue on the first tag. First die cut, first flower. Nah. The first flower on the first spot, like so. Making sure that the glue is dry before I put it on top of the other card, otherwise it wouldn't swing, it would be stuck together. So, like so. Now it's still tacky a wee bit. And let's put the bottom one on the bottom. No, we have to put our tag through first, our brad. So there they're lined up, and the little brad goes through. And of course, it's always more awkward when you're trying to record something. And the last one. Checking to be sure that I have it all correctly organized. Push the brad back on. And some glitter glue. There is no glitter in this glue. I don't know why it's called glitter glue. Perhaps it's just the name of the company creating the glue. I think it actually says on the bottom here. Art Institute Glitter Incorporated, Cottonwood, Arizona. There you go. And that's how you attach the brad so that the journaling tags can swing. Like so. There you go. That's it. It's Lori. Positive Thanks Living. Nice to talk to you this morning.